Yeah. Several directions have come to be issued in PIL Writ Petitions 10 and 13 by the Honorable High Court. Honorable Justice Sonak today passed directions which are contained in a three-page directions in an order which is quite voluminous. And some of these directions basically pertain to removal action being taken by the flag commanding officer. You find now that the flag commanding officer has become will have to be playing a pivotal role under the aircraft rules, and he is being put in charge of taking decisions whether any constructions falls within the air funnel zone, and if he comes to such a conclusion, then he will have to take prompt immediate action for its removal under the aircraft rules and issue demolition notices for the same. Now, in respect of these other constructions which do not fall in 60/2, the court has given an outer time limit of 9 months to the flag commanding officer to finish his exercise. But in respect of survey number 60/2, that is the illegal construction of Mr. Kamla Prasad Yadav, the court has given them a 6 months period and directed the flag commanding officer to in fact issue a notice for demolition as far as the building, 7-storied building constructed by Kamla Prasad Yadav in 60/2, and ordered that this proceeding should culminate and conclude within a period of 6 months.
फ्लाईंग झोन वाठारांत बांदकामांक परवानगी दिवपाची आसत जाल्यार फ्लॅग ऑफिसर कमांडिंगा कडच्यान एनओसी घेवची म्हूण मुरगांव प्लॅनिंग डेव्हलपमेंट ऑथॉरिटी आनी चिखली पंचायतीक हायकोर्टान ऑर्डर दिल्या.
Now the directions also made it very clear that no objection certificate from the flag commanding officer will have to be taken before any new constructions come up. Directions also made it clear that the interim order passed by the Honorable High Court, whereby they had said that the Marmunga Planning Development Authority would have to follow the color-coded map given by the naval authorities. So that will have precedence over the ODP plan. So all constructions which fall within the prohibited zone specified in the color-coded map given by the naval authorities will be prohibited.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.